People pay rich tribute to Jananeta Hizam Irabat on its 123rd birth anniversary. Chief Minister N. Biren unveils statue of Lamyan Bahizam Irabat in Thangmay Bandila Singh Konangkong, calls for joint celebration of Irabat Day. CPI National General Secretary D. Raja condemns Centre for not disclosing content of Indo-Nagra Framework Agreement despite repeated pleas by CPI. Churachandpur District Administration imposes 144 CRPC within 500 meters radius of Yangtam Lamka areas. Sahitya Thawpanglob Imphal confers Nongthongbam Kunjamohan Translation Award 2019 to writer Nongrakpam Ranjita on the National Translation Day. And Rakesh Moirangthem's Manipuri short film Pay the Umbrella bags Best Short Film Award in 7th Brahmaputra Valley Short Film Festival 2019. Hello, welcome to Back News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham, bringing you the top stories. People pay rich tribute to Lamyan Bahizam Irabat, who fought for the freedom of Manipur and equality among people on his 123rd birth anniversary today. Various organizations, local clubs and Maira Paibi Association observed his birth anniversary in various parts of the state. Students of various schools also participated in poetry recitation, singing and painting competitions held in honor of the great leader. Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren unveiled a statue of Lamyan Bahizam Irabat on his 123rd birth anniversary at Hirabat Square in Thangmay Banlilan Singh Kongnangkong today. Speaking on the occasion, Biren appealed to everyone for a joint participation of state-level Hizam Irabat birth anniversary celebration from next year instead of dispersed celebrations. Attendees paid floral tributes to the newly inaugurated statue of Hizam Irabat, followed by guard of honor by a contingent of 1st Manipur Rifles. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Biren expressed happiness that he kept his promise made on September 30th last year to build the statue of Hizam Irabat. Biren also appreciated the Art and Culture Department and those sculptors who took a pivotal role in constructing the statue. The Chief Minister asserted that the statue of Irabat facing the Manipur Legislative Assembly is a reminder to the state MLAs to put forth the interests of people while executing any work.
Ngang kiba pi kiba commitment haba wena won thokpaduni ngasigi nauna laiba samaj gi mirol na pamise nganga maga haira maga tawdabadu nataba nganga maga haira maga thaba wena utpi ba tawibaduni magi kathokpagi gun magi mamai se assembly da bolle pai munna khanagi karigi olan sige mahaki amna tangai phadaba aikhoina kawba yaroidaba ado yam maruina legislators singna ya maruina holle paga khoi migi seba tawdoi na tholpa kangbu singna kawba yaroidaba posak wahai khar khak mangondagi matam punamakta lebang mayang interest na mang tharga layo hai matam punamak aigi ba posi ong tangai tho matam punamak laiba ki mdi miyang ge ba posi na mang tharga layo laigada bne ba magi adugi paujel do adu ngasi bhole pi mayam su loksan badrakar lai aduga tungdal lepi na khanba kangbu su masi loksan badrakar lai.
Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren stated that government has undertaken various measures to conserve paddy lands and to enhance agriculture sector in the state. He stated that the government has formed a new building by law and under it, one can construct building up to 7th floor including the ground floor. He said that vertical expansion is a necessity considering the limited land in the state. Biren mentioned that many private investors have approached the government to initiate real estate system in the state. He maintained that government is striving to provide adequate irrigation system to enhance agricultural productivity and is awaiting approval on various projects from the centre. Chief Minister Biren maintained that the state government has already apprised the centre about its project for construction of check dams for harvesting rainwater at foothills. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, PHED Minister Losi Dikho, Chief Secretary Suresh Babu, DGP LM Kaute and top of civil and police officials attended the event.
Missing demand building by law ground plus 7 awang bus haba yana ayaba pikrabani hongdong bagumba horian gumba masi tangi harji production walakwa sana mina pamba helakwa adugi poni aduna masi double cropping aduna yam kana emphasis irrigation ji yam ka emphasis minor irrigation gi sector another projects crore chahum jamri ki thari ground water trap to yare high report mayam se people's ki public ki support na to ngamoy.
Former MP of Rajya Sabha and National General Secretary of Communist Party of India, D. Raja, expressed disappointment over non-disclosure of the content of Indo-Naga Framework Agreement signed between Indian government and NSC and IM, despite repeated pleas to the centre by the CPI. He was responding to media queries on the sidelines of 123rd birth anniversary celebration of Jananeta Hizam Irabad, organized by Irabad Celebration Committee at Iboyai Masumang Lila Sanglen today. D. Raja revered Jananeta Hizam Irabad as an eminent communist of Manipur. He stated that Irabad worked for the integrity of Manipur and strived for inclusion of Manipuri language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. D. Raja condemned the BJP-led central government for trying to pass the Citizenship Amendment Bill. He asserted that the CPI will continue to stand against the contentious bill.
We have been opposing the Citizenship Amendment Bill inside Parliament and outside Parliament. The other thing is the Naga peace talks. But what is the agreement? What is the new framework? Nobody knows. Even in the recent meeting of our party, we asked the government, what was the agreement? What are the contents of this framework? You please tell, share with political parties, share with people. Otherwise, it will lead to a serious situation in the northeast region, particularly in the state of Manipur and other adjacent states. Government cannot do anything in a secret way. Government should take the people of northeast into confidence before doing anything.
School students and women folks carried out a march past and paid salute to the statue of Hizam Irabad during the celebration. Eminent Manipuri nationalist R.K. Ronendra Chet was conferred upon Hizam Irabad Award while senior journalist of Pognapam Daily, Sonia Sorin Sangbam, was bestowed with Thiami Chandra Journalist Award at the event held at Iboyan Masumang Lila Sanglen. President of United Committee Manipur UCM, Sunil Karam, was given Tauchoma Chauba Integrity Award, and many other persons working in various fields were also awarded on the occasion.
Framework Naga Agreement Sina Manipur gi apun bagi saktam da chaw na akai ba pirak payaba khudong ki ba kaya singa se matamamada Irabad ki lamjing da Bharot na ning tam lam dai matam da so isemaga samapan nifu ga tarukta Naga singi apun ba laipa ama semagi harpa matam da sok nifu ga taret ki November ki tarik kuntrada singtam apun ba mifam kauraga United Front Semduna Manipur gi apun bagi saktam cha ahan boina kanki.
Lamyan Be Irabad Ningsing Thauram Committee organized a 123rd birth anniversary of Hizam Irabad at Yai School CECO Club Ground today under initiative of Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PPCM. Speaking on the occasion, PPCM convener Jitendra Ningomba urged youths to put late Irabad's ideologies into actions to solve prevailing issues facing the state, stating that Irabad in his lifetime strived to strengthen the ties between hills and valley people. Jitendra Ningomba urged everyone to fulfill Irabad's vision for a united Manipur. Convener of Lamyan Be Irabad Ningsing Thauram Committee, T.H. Ajit, President of CECO, School Sarungbam Jiten and other eminent persons attended the event. Assistant Professor of Manipur College Shirom Raj Ketan gave resourceful insights into the life and contributions of Lamyanba Irabot on the occasion.
पुंसीगे वारी सिंह अदो अखोई अनौब मिरोल सिने खंगब मथौ ताई मरमदि करिगिनो हाइबो मतमदो मान थेंगनखिबा अवाब नुंगाइबा अदुगा लेबाक सिदा लेरमिबा सोशल इनइक्वालिटी हाइदारे खेनबो मयाम अमा इनजस्टिस मयाम अमा माना सुमथोकनबो होनिखिबो मयाम सिंगो ngasiमकी मॉडर्न ओइरबा कोई पेरोट सिदा हाइदारे तंजा सिदा अदुगुम मखलगी मतमदो मान थेंगनरबा मखलदो अदुगुम मखल ngasiसु अनौब मिरोल से थेंगनेरे हाइदारे असैंग मणिपुर अमा सागनेनबो खोलकबा मागी इहोदो अखोई ngasi mirol sina magi spiritu yauri haraga anubu manipur ma sing tam manaba aduga equality oiba progressive oiba development oiba manipur ma semna nabogida mukta magi wari nei na mathau ta hai.
Republican Party of India, a Manipur state unit, also observed the 123rd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hizam Irabot at party office in Kashampa, Churachandpur parking today. Members of party paid floral tribute to the portrait of Lamyanba Hizam Irabot on the occasion. Samusang Santipur Youth Club also observed the 123rd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hizam Irabot at Samusang Santipur Mayai Laikai today. Wangoi Police Station OC, MJ10 social worker and Komaiton, headmistress of Santipur Lowang Kunau Primary School, Y. Premi Leima, Assistant Secretary General of Desam Head Office, El Lamyanba, and many eminent persons attended the event. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of Lamyanba Irabot as well as planted various tree saplings around Samusang Santipur. Speaking on the occasion, El Lamyanba expressed contentment at the widespread celebration of Irabot's birth anniversary. However, he appealed to celebrate the day in its true spirit by understanding great leaders' ideology and vision for the state. Local Youth Development Association LYDA Club also observed the 123rd birth anniversary observance of Hizam Irabot at the club premises in Kwakaitel, Laima Khuzam, Imphal East. SP Jogesh Chandra Haubijam, advisor of the club Taurem Ibobi and president of Kwakaitel, Laima Khuzam Laikai, Nupilop Mani Devi took part in the event. Mitai Society Churachandpur carried out one-day social service from Churachandpur Lighthouse till New Bazaar in commemoration of Lamyanba Hizam Irabot on his 123rd birth anniversary. People from 15 Mitai villages, BSF personnel posted at the Lighthouse and CEO of ADC Churachandpur, Kamulan, took part in a cleanliness drive held on the theme, Let's Clean Churachandpur, Be Healthy Churachandpur. 123rd birth anniversary observance of Jananeta Hizam Irabot was also held in various parts of Bishnupur district today. Upon Banupilo, Bishnupur carried out a cleanliness drive at Mini Secretariat Road, Bishnupur on the occasion. Royal Academy of Law Oinam held observance at the college seminar hall today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the great leader at the event. Principal of Royal Academy of Law Oinam I. Jugeshwar stated that the event was held in reverence to Lamyanba Irabot for all his contributions for the state. Irabot Celebration Committee Irengbam also organized the observance at Irengban Playground. President of the committee M. Saki and many eminent members of various organizations took part in the event. Chairman of Irabot Celebration Committee, cum leader of Communist Party of India CPI, Dr. Nara inaugurated a newly constructed Lamyanba Irabot Ningsing Kangsang at Wangjing, Wangkai in Thaupal district on the 123rd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hizam Irabot today. Social worker Haubam Robindro sponsored the construction of the Kangsang. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. M. Nara urged the public to cooperate in holding Kang tournaments at the stadium every year. Mahausagi Saktam Kanbalup MSKL Hairok along with nominee of Hairok Part 2 Gram Panchayat TH Premjit carried out a cleanliness drive on the occasion of the 123rd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hizam Irabot at Hairok Part 2 today. Volunteers also planted various tree saplings in the area. 16 Tulihal Zilla Parishad K. Inaucha and Top Chingtha SHG women members carried out cleanliness drive from Yaripok to Chingtha till Laimanai on the 123rd birth anniversary of Hizam Irabot today. Dalit State Academy Manipur also observed the 123rd birth anniversary of Lamyan Hizam Irabot at Manipur Press Club today. 28 persons received Bharat Ratna Baba Saheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Award 2019, while 17 persons received Dr. B.R. Ambedkar International Award 2019 on the occasion. Former lecturer of Diet El Mani and Dr. Wahengbam Imo spoke as resource persons in the event. Former Lok Sabha MP Dr. Thaucho Maina, President of Unified Dalit Rights Forum Nepal, Lakshman Bardeva, National Secretary of Bharatiya Dalit Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, Yumna Mahendra Kumar, and President of Japanese Hospital Manipur, Rajen Ayangba attended the event. Jananeta Irabot Memorial Trust, GMED, also organized the 123rd birth anniversary of Hizam Irabot at Babupara, Ziribam today. People offered floral tributes to the statue of Irabot, and 24 contingent from various schools in the district took part in the March Past competition held on the occasion. GMED also organized a public meeting at R.K. Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya School in Babupara. Winners of the March Past competition and people of Ziribam who have succeeded in various fields were also felicitated in the event. Deputy Commissioner of Ziribam District, Mayanglangbam Rajkumar, Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K. Sarat Kumar, Commandant of 7th IRB, Uchato Ningsim Vashum, IPS and Additional SP of Ziribam, A.K. Sadananda attended the event. Members of Library Cum Cultural Association also held the 123rd birth anniversary observance of Lamyan Hizam Irabot at Brahmapur, Thangapat, Mapal today. SSUM, POFM, AMPSUM, SWA, and YCL also observed the 123rd birth anniversary of Hizam Irabot at Thangmaiban Tau Ground today. Attendees paid floral tribute to the portrait of Hizam Irabot, and student contingents of various private and government schools took part in the March Past competition held on the occasion. Churchandpur District Administration has imposed 144 CRPC within a radius of 500 meters at Hyangtam Lamka areas following clash between two groups of leaders of Paite Tribe Council PTC in front of the PTC office. According to Impact News sources, on Saturday, CWC leaders of the PTC conducted a no-confidence motion against the incumbent leaders, chairman, president and secretary, leading to their overthrow. A new leader was also elected, and these newly elected leaders were trying to hold a meeting this morning at 7:30 a.m. at the same office. But the new leaders were blocked from entering the office by a large number of volunteers who were already present there, ensuing the confrontation, which subsided along only when security forces intervened. Meanwhile, the security forces have sealed the PTC office. The duration of the curfew is also uncertain. Acting on a tip of a combined team of Moray Commando and 12th Assam Rifles arrested a person with 1,980 Wallace Yorks tablet worth around 5,94,000 rupees in Moray yesterday. The team caught a drug peddler who was coming from Moray in a passenger vehicle eco van towards Imphal while frisking at Kudingtabi Permanent Motor Vehicles checkpost at around 4:30 p.m. The miscreant is identified as 28-year-old Kaiminlan Tautang, son of Thangkokpao Tautang from T. Kanafai in Churchandpur district. The drug peddler was produced before media persons today before he was handed over to Moray police station for further investigations. A team led by Imphal West District Transport Officer T.H. Dinachandra today commenced 3-day camped at PWD Guest House in Babupara, Ziribam district, providing public with facilities like issuance of driving license, new registration, number plates registrations and collection of due tax. Speaking to Impact News, Dina Chandra said that the camp aimed to ease the plights facing people of Ziribam in coming to Imphal for vehicle registration and driving license related works. Sahitya Thaupang Lup Imphal bestowed Nongthombam Kunjamohan Translation Award 2019 to Manipuri writer Nongrakpam Ranjita from Tripura on International Translation Day celebration event held at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy in Imphal today. The award includes a shawl, a citation and 10,000 rupees cash award. Writer Nongrakpam Ranjita bagged the award for a contribution in translation of various Manipuri poems into Bengali. Speaking at the event, renowned theatre director cum chairman of Chorus Repertory Theatre, Ratan Thiam emphasized the significance of translation for the development of a country, stating that America, known as a superpower of the world, is highly developed because of they get wisdom from various translated books of many countries. Ratan Thiam asserted that the state's literature will also get enriched with translated books from around the world. A book titled Swar Astok, co-written by 8 writers, was released on the occasion. 3-day Bangla Manipuri Poetry Festival commenced at the event. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Manipuri short film Pay the Umbrella, directed by Rakesh Moirangthem, bagging the best short film title at 7th Brahmaputra Valley Short Film Festival 2019. We'll be right back watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Manipuri short film named Pay the Umbrella, directed by Rakesh Moirangthem, has bagged the best short film title on the 7th Brahmaputra Valley Short Film Festival 2019, held at Pragjoti ITA Center in Guwahati from September 26 till 29. Rakesh Moirangthem received the award at the award distribution ceremony of the festival held yesterday. 3 Manipuri short films titled Pay the Umbrella, directed by Rakesh Moirangthem, Love Overcomes Evil, directed by Shavaz Ilangbam, and Time Bomb, directed by Thokchom Jimmy, entered the top 15 short films selected for the festival. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah kicked off 2-day international workshop on developing a comprehensive approach combating illicit trafficking of Afghan opiates and drugs situation in the northeast at Hotel Classic Grand in Chingmairong today. Foreign delegates and delegates from other states of India are participating in the workshop. Speaking at the event, Dr. Najma Heptullah stated that drug menace is a global issue. She urged people to jointly curb the problem. The governor worded that the rate of drug abuse is at an alarming rate in the economically backward northeast states. She stressed the need for the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, UNODC, to provide training as well as take up appropriate measures to curb the problem. Dr. Najma Heptullah called for united efforts by both central and state governments, legislators and civil society organizations to curb drug menace.
The state of Northeast particularly requires identification of specific skills and training, while UNODC can take the lead. As the drug crimes are not standalone crimes, and with the given mandate of the UNODC, it is also expected that the South Asian Office would take initiative in others related areas like corruption, money laundering, human trafficking, de-addiction, particularly in the neglected areas like prisons, HIV/AIDS, gender-based violence, narco-terrorism, criminal justice reform, and so on. The list is long, but so is our resolve.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen has assured to apprise the HRD Ministry to upgrade and increase the number of seats at NIT Manipur. Speaking at the 6th annual convocation of NIT Manipur at its complex in Langol today, Bireen recalled that the state government under his leadership has undertaken various initiatives to enhance the education sector of the state. 225 students, including PhD students, received convocation certificates on the occasion.
To improve the present NIT of Manipur, we have to pursue through the HRD Ministry to increase the seat capacity as well as the number of deals and the lecturers. So I have given my commitment that shortly I am leaving for Delhi, and I will go definitely with the proposal to upgrade, to increase the requirement of the NIT Manipur.
People carried out a cycle rally on mass media campaigned under Rashtriya Poshan Mah today. Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen flagged off the cycle rally from Social Welfare Office at 2nd Manipur Rifles Gate. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Nemcha Kipgen said that the rally aims to raise awareness about Poshan Mah to people of the state.
Poshan Mah, Poshan Abhiyan scheme ase joint sensitization thoram sing tongan ba district amadi block sing desu pangthokre maram asina scheme asina piri ba kanaba sing Manipur state na phangna ba hot na bada prayami amna su mateng pangbiyu.
Wangkhem MLA Kaisham Meghachandra has appealed to bring an equal society. Speaking at the inaugural of a newly constructed office of Royal Club in Thawal Kiam Sifai on the 123rd birth anniversary of Hisam Irabod, Meghachandra assured of undertaking various welfare projects for women, children and senior citizens. Kanglei Park Students Association KSA strongly condemned Dalit State Academy Manipur for including the portrait of Bharat Ratna Sahib Dr. B.R. Ambedkar at the birth anniversary observance of Lamyan Hisam Irabod today. KSA demanded Dalit State Academy Manipur to clarify the matter at the earliest. Speaking to media at the association office in Koyathong today, Sports Secretary Kate Sanjoy expressed disappointment over the incident and demanded the political party concerned to clarify at the earliest.
Miyam bulam jingli ba madi masage wa khalon kaya gi namak puari da sakna suna dun lai ba lamyan ba magi mapok numik ki thorom da wa khalon natragana thabak thorom da kaisu mana ba lai ba madi ngasi gi numit sita pok ki ba natragana si ki ba natragana ma thorom ba thabak thorom singi remarkable oiba numit ta ki ba su lai ba Dr. B.R. Ambedkar bu mataw karamna Dalit Sahitya Academy na thorom ma sida yaholi ba no madi bokoi ba sinna bagi oiba tung nung gi oiba wa khalon kari lai ba ga ba do laibak miyam da senotuna khangang ga da bani Manipur gi oiba 13 August ki senglaba numit asida Durga Mata na singbi ki photo sinaduna thorom tawkhibagi sayet na basarang na lairingi talak asida ngasi Lamyan Hisam Irabod ki mapok numit ki thorom asida Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ki photo yauna sinaduna thorom pathorok libasina kari wakhalon lairibagi abagi sinabado khoida poksai tungi mirol na lana uhogodoba mayek lana idur leikraba puari da amuba kali yakshan madona ngasi ki thorom pathok ki base silaibak thibani matungda tawbitana bagi appeal su tawjari.
Desam urged the relevant authorities to withdraw this decision taken in the academic Council meeting of September 24 to directly hold interview of guest faculty members of Manipur University by skipping screening process in recruiting them as assistant professor of the university. Speaking to media at Desam office in Kwakaithel, Desam Secretary General Sital Oinam condemned the some of the applicants do not even hold PhD degree.
Ozagi oinanabki damakta thawengki atamnana academic council gi mifam asida kogi UGC gi guideline 2018 gi matungina screening tawudubni habasi khangna madubu violate tawraga warep logduna guest lecture oina leriba ozasingbu kogi screening yohondana masigi interview gi damakta khanki baibasi yamna lanba thawongni athuba matamda Manipuri University asigi administrator oina puriba ozana masi miyeng sangbiduna mapalamgi external sing laktuna interview tawjingagi mawoina na thabak lokhatkadobni karigumba lokhatragadi desamna marile nabasingda che thaduna asigumba arana huisigi maramda khangan bagaloina na chathariba arana huisigi mayoka sabsana lepkani.
Cultural Forum Manipur held its 61st Foundation Day celebration at the auditorium of Manipur College today. Students and teachers from various universities and colleges and many Manipuri physiologists took part in the event. Gracing the event, Principal of Manipur College, Dr. R.K. Radhakishore, released 2 books titled Ritu 187-88 and selected Bharat poems on the occasion. Professor Thoiding Jamtombi stressed on travel experiences in UK and Europe during a study circle organized at the event. Five-day peace and holiday camp organized by Kwai Nung Singh Thalup at Chingkham Kabui village in Usoipokpi concluded today. The camp aimed to bring unity among communities residing in the state. Speaking on the occasion, Chief of Chingkham Kabui village expressed firm belief that the camp will pacify disputes between Meitei Pangals and Chingkham Kabuis residing around Usoipokpi. Chief Advisor of Lilong Political Unified Link, M.A. Zabar, asserted that people of Chingkham Kabui village and Meitei Pangals around the village will jointly form a developmental committee.
Manipur laiba Kanglup Hurup mayam sing asi nungsi chananaba peace messenger akoina sinjabani habna Chingkham Kabui khol amasung Lilongi Muslim Meitei Pangal isinau singa hana nungsinana lairambadagi haiba 5 days peace and holiday camp jina hena nungsinaba yamna pikpa singdom asi yamna integrity oiba singtam anigi nungsinabagi symbol oina thamani haiba akoigi lipulgi side tagi thambirakpa asi yamna haraujai
akhoi chi haifam tawfam khangdana leiba matam masida khwai sintharupna laklaga asigumba peace camp aba lingbi bese akhoi yamna nungai yum saba yadre hojik sengna haibada pukhri tawba yadre movement se yadre haib yai akhoi jin tawrisi ado athuba matamda peace pubiro haibase ai hajari
Chingkham de leiriba Kabui gi isilina amasugi baija mayam siga ningai sangdanabagi thodo ama tholakbagi matang aduda Lilong Political Unified Link na merik bidagi mayau bi hokigani chafu gairaga kwangna harawi haibadu ta khadran khanbadagi Meitei Pangal amasung Kabui ani gi langdai asi purakna bidamakta ayhak isamak voluntarily very sincerely and honestly ani makse santai damakta lakchaba misagamani housing madu amicable assessment ama khoi leire.
Lilong Development Forum LDF held one-day free medical camp at 5-star English High School in Turel Ahanbi Dam today. 4 specialist doctors along with 4 medical officers checked up around 350 individuals and provided them free medicines. 13 different tests of diseases like as thyroid, KFT, LFT, hepatitis, dengue, lipid profile, malaria, HIV, etc. were carried out at the camp. Speaking on the sidelines, President of LDF, Mohammad Naimuddin, asserted that the camp aimed to ward off people of the area from various illnesses associated with weather or climate change. And now to sports news. Manipur University Inter-College Men and Women Shooting Tournament concluded today. K. Amarjit of Royal Academy of Law College, Rohan Longjam of Kamakhya Pimton College and Rajkumar Memik of Manipur College bagged first, second and third position respectively in the 10-meter manned air rifle event. While in 10-meter women air rifle event, H. Inunganbi, Goldie Rajkumari of Manipur University and Nisa Kitrimayum of Modern College bagged first, second and third position respectively. In 10-meter men air pistol event, Kenny Sant Tonambam of Kakching Kunau College, Khangemba Laukrakpam of Manipur University and M. Indrakumar of Bedamangol College bagged first, second and third position respectively. And in 10-meter women air pistol event, Yai Pabita Lem of Gaura Govindas Girls College, P.H. Sophia of Royal Academy of Law College and Y. Mamta of Regional College bagged first, second and third position respectively. Chairman of Council of Higher Secondary Education, Dr. L. Mahendra, Principal of Modern College, Dr. K. Biren and member of MU Senior Sports Executive Committee, Dr. K. Chandra, attended the concluding program of the tournament organized by Regional College Lilong Chajing under Manipur University Sports Committee at the shooting range of Kumalampak Sports Complex. Altogether, 13 shooters, including 3 female, participated in the tournament. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People pay rich tribute to Jananeta Hisam Irabot on his 123rd birth anniversary. Chief Minister N. Biren unveiled statue of Lamyan Hisam Irabot in Thangmaiban Nilaseng Khong Nang Khong, calls for joint celebration of Irabot Day. CPI National General Secretary D. Raja condemns Center for not disclosing content of Indo-Naga Framework Agreement despite repeated pleas by CPI. Churchandpur District Administration imposes 144 CRPC within 500 meters radius of Yangtam Lamka areas. Sahitya Thaupang Lub, Imphal confers Nongthombam Kunjamohan Translation Award 2019 to writer Nongrakpam Ranchita on International Translation Day. And Rakesh Moirangthim's Manipuri short film Pay the Umbrella bags Best Short Film Award in 7th Brahmaputra Valley Short Film Festival 2019.